All right, YouTube, here we are back at Boulevard at Mrs. Rosedal's planter. Here we're about to harvest our largest watermelon of the season so far. It still is what I consider to be a pocket melon, but this thing is indeed ready and ripe and ready to be harvested today, YouTube, and we're about to do that right now, YouTube. Take a look at this. Indeed, YouTube, indeed. You guys see that little tiny thing down in there? Much smaller than a sugar baby watermelon. This thing is tiny, about pocket size. Is indeed, YouTube. We got a little pigtail right there. It's our indication that this thing is indeed ripe. It is brown and shriveled up, and we've been ready and waiting for this watermelon to get ripe here all season, YouTube. We're about to harvest this watermelon right now. Take this thing inside, cut it open, and show you guys just how juicy or not juicy and ripe this thing actually is. Hang tight, YouTube. All right. Our pocket-sized melon from out there at Mrs. Rosedal's planter. We'll get this thing on a little shady, a more shady location here on our front porch, and let you guys take a look at it. Brush it off a little bit here, YouTube. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Yeah, YouTube. Harvesting our largest pocket melon of the season. I'm gonna take this guy inside right now, put it in the refrigerator, let it chill for a couple hours, and I'll bring you guys back in about 2 hours once this thing chills all the way down. We're gonna cut this thing open and do a taste test for you guys right at the Green Thumb Garden channel. Hang tight, YouTube.
Trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid. Hit the bathroom, splash some cold water on my face. Okay, thanks to Jah for letting this life you see another day. Herbal meditation, elevation in the booth. Ain't much of a drinker, but they call this lion 100 proof. Ain't 1990, but this lion's about to raise the roof. Get tested, let me tell you what this lion's gonna do. I'm known for ripping haters just like I did the last time, cause I shut them down every time I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap game, and way back then nobody really even knew my name. But it's a different time, a different city, different state. I started out small, but now this lion's heavyweight. Can you picture this? Sit back and watch me reminisce. I'm knocking haters off and I got your name up on my list. This lion's on the rise. You can see it in my eyes. I'm aiming for the top prize. I know it's been a minute. That don't mean I fell off. Rap king of the streets, and yeah, I'm still the boss. Each time my haters test me, they fall and then get tossed. And don't place your best against this lion, you gon' take a loss. I hit the microphone, get in my zone and vibe, and I don't auto-tune my flow so you can recognize. Inhaling smoke clouds and blowing stress up in the sky. With them haters me mugging me each time I'm passing by. And I don't mumble rap, I keep it old school. This lion changed the game and now I make my own rules. My peeps, they tell me lion, you got a smooth flow. You can hear my music playing on your local radio.